Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing alang jong kakanhon menteri jong Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabalalong haka katlai tarik matau nailar arjar kat kendai. Kalasyam halor ki katto kat ne ki rai halor ki mat ki balawan ra banyakran haka ni kasngi. Kawai ni ki mat ke balai kran bat menjor haka ni kasngi kadai halor kajing terwa. Banwan ra ya kajing penkala ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of the Game of Arrow Shooting and the Sale of Deer's Ticket Act 2018. Kajing penkala haka ni kaan badon ki kendon siat tim. Haka balarai baya kidukan thok tim kidai bandan haka jingjengai ke basis pa mitar na ki jaka pole bat ki jaka le niam ne ki yeng mane om shu kum haka kendon ke bamenchwa haka ba ka jingjengai ke balabo kalong lais pa mitar na kini ki jaka.
What has happened was in the original act 2018 the distance for setting up of tier counter was allowed with a minimum distance of 300 meters from the educational institution, place of worship, so on and so forth. But this time, the proposal from the department is that we reduced the distance from 300 meters to 100 meters for setting up of such counters. So ultimately, the cabinet has approved the proposed amendment of section 6(1) of the Meghalaya Regulation of the Game of Arrow Shooting and Sale of Deer Tickets Act 2018.
Kawai pat karai ke bakakanhon menteri jong Sarkar Meghalaya kalai kren hakani kasngi kadai pat halor ke jing menjor jong Goods and Service Tax Council halor ke jing terwa ban penjastorna ya ki bar register ya ke GST kata na ka 10 lak tengka syaka 4 lak tengka kata ki bar register kila bandai tangkito ki bakamai palap ya ka 4 lak tengka shaneng hakasisnam.
As you are all aware, the GST Council has approved the proposal for enhancement the limits of registration, mandatory registration of those people whose their earning is 10 lakhs annually to rupees 20 lakhs annually. So in view of this decision taken by the GST Council, the cabinet today has approved the proposal in the form of ordinance effective from April 2019 that the slap mandatory registration will not be now 10 lakhs, it should be now 20 lakhs and above. Those who are within 20 lakhs, relaxation has been considered by the GST Council.